Vanakkam, this is Mohan. Welcome to Pendulum Tech. In the earlier video, we discussed about how the pendulum is working, what are the principles which are involving the pendulum dowsing. Here we are going to see the atom, astrophysics or astronomy, and brain, how these are all correlated with the pendulum dowsing. In atom, the central part is called the nucleus. So around the nucleus, the electrons are spinning very fastly. Actually, the atom is a tiny particle. We can't see by our naked eye. We can see it through only by microscope only. So molecule means 2 or 3 atoms are combined together to form the molecules. Best example is water. The water has 2 number of hydrogen atoms and 1 number of oxygen atoms. These two combined together form the water, H2O. The potential energy means whenever there is an object which is in stagnant position, the energy which occupies on the object is called the potential energy. Kinetic energy means same object which is going towards or migrating to some place or transporting to some other place. So at the time it has the kinetic energy. So astrophysics means by way of applying physical fundamental principles to study about a particular cosmetic objects is called the astrophysics. Best example is sun. Hydrogen, due to fusion of hydrogen, the helium comes and we are getting the sun rays. And how many days the sun is going to be survive? How many days we are getting the sun? So in the sun rays, what are all the important components are there. So we got to study a particular object and everything in detailed manner by way of applying the physics principle. But astronomy, we have to study all universal natural objects in general way, sun, moon, nebula, etc., etc. These are all the examples for the universal natural object. Now we are standing on the earth. Lot of rays are emitting by the stars and they are reaching to the earth. But due to the ozone layer, they are filtered in the ozone layer. Though the ozone layer filtering these rays, our body has to get some kind of irritation. Our minds are wavering and our body has some unwanted feelings and everything we are getting because this is because of that emission of the rays from the stars. So keep this principle in your mind. In the end of this video, I have to correlate this principle. These are to the pendulum principle. In brain, it is a cortex is the hardest part. It protects the whole brain. In the cortex, there is more than 800 small nerve cells are there. The nerve cells are bonded by the electrical energy. And the neuron is the another fundamental particle which are more than billion in numbers are occupying in the brain. It has some particle. With the help of this particle, it transfers the factors to the all over the body. And the brain, most of our human body activities are controlled by this brain only. There is no causal relationship for size of the brain and the thinking or working capacity of the brain. Because Eskimos, they have a bigger in size of the brain, but they don't do the extraordinary work with help of that one. And the elephant is a bigger in size, but its brain is 0.2% compared to his body. But a human being, they have 2.5% of brain in size compared to their body. So there is no relationship compared to the working status of the brain with related to the size of the brain. Compared to us, I mean the men, the women, they have very less in size of brain. This is because of the physical nature of the body condition, body condition. And the conscious and subconscious mind, this is most important for our pendulum principle. Unconscious, subconscious means I want to give you an example for the subconscious. A typist, he is typing his work without seeing on that computer board or a typing board. How it is possible? Because while he was in conscious, he learned everything. That principle which are in the subconscious mind. So while he is working, that subconscious desire or mind, the factors which are helping to them do the work without seeing the board. For unconscious, I want to give the example. Yesterday we saw one movie. So some important things which are coming today morning and we can't concentration in the work. This is the best example for the unconscious. So again I want to say what is the principle which are occurring, the pendulum principle. In subconscious mind there is a desire which is arising, which is transferred to our forearm. In the forearm there is a motor, micro motor movements which are arising or energy which is arising. It transferred to the pendulum through the chain. In the pendulum there is a number of atoms are there. That energy which is reaching to the pendulum, the potential and the potential energy is also there. The pendulums are bombarding. Hence the potential energy becomes a kinetic energy and it tries to oscillate here and there. I want to demonstrate how it is with the help of the pendulum. This is a minor pendulum. I got it 40 rupees 2 or 3 years before. So the desire which is rising from the conscious mind, then it comes to my forearm. From the forearm, by the chain, it reaches to the pendulum. In the pendulum, atoms are there. The atoms are bombarding due to the energy which it reaches to the pendulum. In this way, the pendulum is working. But with the help of the neurotheology and neurology, in forthcoming videos, how to explain how it is working. Pendulum, உங்களை இந்த demonstration classல நான் உங்களை காமிக்கலாமா? Can I see you in the demonstration class of this video? Okay. Thank you very much. In forthcoming video, I have to give the more example. With the help of the more example, I have to explain everything. Thank you very much.